Hi, Ian from BeAWinningTrader.com, and this is a trade on the Aussie US dollar that was taken today by myself earlier. It is today being the 20th of October 2022, and just very briefly let me explain to you what we have in a proprietary trading tool. We have a proprietary trading tool that actually paints the price bars blue as a sign of more buying pressure than selling pressure, or red as a sign of more selling pressure in comparison to buying pressure. So therefore, when we see the price bars turn red or blue, so it's very much like following a traffic light system, then that puts you on notice to be ready to take a trade. And all then that we're looking for is a price action set of rules that confirms whether we have a greater probability of that market going up or down. Also at the same time, then we also know exactly where to put our protective stops. So we had weakness during the night. This is the early hours of the night. We had our first blue bar about 6 a.m. this morning UK time, but again I hadn't my computer on, folk, and I therefore wasn't interested in it. But then what I was looking for once I seen the blue bars was, had we got higher confirmed lows than the previous lows? If we had, that's a sign of strength in its own right. And now we've got the software trading tool telling us that there is more buying pressure than selling pressure in that market. And lo and behold, if that did happen and it came in and we got an entry, so we did round about 62.60, and that market, as you can see on its first round of rises, it went up to a high here of about 63.29, so it was about a 70 pip move on that first move. It then retraced and it went into green mode, and you can see then it turned into blue mode again. So again we were able to go and get a second run. If you were being I don't want to say greedy, but if you were not content with what you got in the first time, again it's now 6:30 in the evening, and you can see that the blue bars did stay for a period of time. But what can start concerning me was when I started to see lower highs. This low here being a lower high than this low, and again then the bars soon went into green mode again, and presently we're in red mode. But because we haven't got a lower confirmed high and our risk is too great from that first bar to up here, there's no trade for us presently. But what I wanted to very clearly show, and what you can see here with our software trading tool and our set of price action trading rules, we can pick trades consistently, and whether they're buy signals, or again if it was earlier in the day setting up now a sell signal, then we are in a great position with a great software trading tool to take advantage of those. So remember, if you want to learn more, sign up for one of our webinars. Go to BeAWinningTrader.com, and I will be able to demonstrate that on a free webinar with a little but greater depth.